Hi everyone, welcome back. It is a new month, so that means there's a new exclusive bag for Nails Truly, and this one is fantastic. So spoiler alert, if you are waiting for this to come in the mail and you want it to be a surprise, you are gonna want to skip this video today. Alright, so this is the October exclusive. The theme this month is so fun. It is called Retro Birthday Bash, which I couldn't be more excited about. So each bag comes with an exclusive scented cuticle oil. Then we have these really fun swatch sticks, so that means there's two of them, so there is two corresponding dips for those swatch sticks. And the dip powders for this month are so fun. They are perfect for birthday season and they're so fun. All right, so your bags will not have the handwriting on them. They will actually have like the nice labels on them, but there are two exclusive dips and we're gonna dive right into those. And then we have this really awesome file, which I love because it's a disposable file, but it has like this really nice holder for it, so you can stick it in your purse and you're gonna be able to find it. All right, so let's get into the decals. So these decals are so fun. They're very 90s themed and I love them. You're going to be able to do a lot of different things. These are going to be great decals for all year long. And I just cannot get over this exclusive. Now, this next one right here, these are Tamagotchis. Remember Tamagotchis? Oh, my mind is so blown right now. It's taking me back to my childhood. And then we have the trolls. And then you have like all these like 90 like kind of like retro kind of vibes. And I'm totally living for it. And My Little Pony is just like melting my whole heart right now. And then we have, of course, a classic staple of the 90s, your Hello Kitty. And there's not just one sheet, there is two, so super awesome. And then you have like this like retro tropical birthday bash bowling kind of thing. And then these shapes are so fun and you cannot have 90s without Barbie. And then you have these really awesome like retro-y kind of like flowers. All right, so those were the decals. I am just blown away by everything in this exclusive. And this is the biggest bundle exclusive to date for Nails Truly. Normally you get like 6, maximum 7 decal sheets. This is cram packed and I could not be more excited. All right, so we are diving into this mani here. We're going to use another exclusive that was in the Mallory sub bag. If you have it, you know this dip powder right here. I think there is a few of my sub bags left. It is a Disney themed. It came out in July. It was fantastic. We had so much fun with it. You guys loved it so much. But let me double check. I think it still is available. If it is, I'll link it in that description box below. Also, on all these bundles or anything from Nails Truly, you can always use my discount code to save. It is just code Mallory. And I don't make any commission or anything like that from that discount code. It's just a thank you for all my followers and subscribers so you can save on your Nails Truly orders. And plus, I use Nails Truly decals here on my channel quite often. I think we have a double feature today of Nails Truly. And I think it's safe to say that I am definitely addicted to decals. I feel like the Nails Truly decals are very, very easy, very user-friendly to work with. By far the best application decals I've ever worked with. So I definitely stand behind those decals 100% of the way. If you struggle with decals, definitely hit up Nails Truly. You're going to find something that catches your eye and they are very, very beginner friendly. So let's get into this beautiful dip powder here. It is everything. Look at that second dip. Isn't that fantastic? I mean, there's just something about the different textures of, we have like that fine glitter base, which by the way, that pink is like the perfect background for these confetti pieces. And then we have like different size confettis. We have the smaller tinsel pieces, and then we have like the larger pieces of confetti, which kind of look like ice cream sprinkles. And I mean, there's so many things you can do with this. My mind is like rushing full of ideas just with this second dip here. And again, I have not used these dip powders yet until today in this video, and they are so far so fantastic, and they apply super full coverage. They apply really nicely. Those confetti pieces are also laying really flat, and I'm just gonna like completely, we're sounding like a broken record at this point. I'm completely blown away by this bundle. I think this might be my favorite bundle yet. I know I had a bundle myself, but this one kind of blows it out of the water, to be completely honest with you. There's just something about the dip powders in this bundle that just really just tie everything together. So if you are into like throwback 90s, Tamagotchi, Trolls, Hello Kitty, Barbie, really fun designs, this bundle is gonna be for you. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into these powders and see everything in action and play with some of those decals. And then I'm gonna pop back in just a little bit.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness in all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here we go.
Alright, so we're just finishing up the mani here. I'm going in and sealing this decal in with a layer of gel base, and I'm making sure I'm capping those free edges, and I'm curing for 30 seconds. Then we're going to go ahead and finish up with a layer of gel top coat. I'm going to apply that to the rest of the nails off camera and cure for 60 seconds. And here's the finished mani. I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super cute. It screams 90 vibes. Plus, I really like these decals because it ties in the colors of the dip powder. So you have like the pink in the decal and then that purple that totally matches the purple in that middle nail. Overall, so fun. It totally screams 90. This theme pack for the month is definitely something you need in your life, especially if you are a 90s retro kind of girl. This is gonna be for you, or if you have any clients that are into this kind of thing, don't sleep on this exclusive because it is just so fun. And you know what? Sometimes in life, everything's very serious, and sometimes you just need a little bit of fun in your life, right? All right, so everything we use in today's mani is in that description box below. Don't forget, stay tuned. You will see these other decals in action in the final photos at the end of the video, and I'll see you all later in tonight's spooky 31 Days of Halloween series.